Getting a P0453 engine code? It might seem minor, but what's really causing that high evap pressure could surprise you. Watch to the end so you don't miss the one fix most people overlook. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling the P0453 trouble code, a common issue related to your car's evap system. If you've seen this code pop up on your scanner, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the possible causes and show you step-by-step how to fix it. Let's get started. What is the P0453 code? It means your car's computer detects an issue with the fuel tank pressure sensor or evaporative emission system pressure sensor. Common symptoms of P0453 code: check engine light illuminated, unnoticeable fuel odor, reduced fuel economy, rough idling, hard starting, failed emissions test. Common causes of P0453 code: faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, bad evap canister or purge valve, loose or damaged gas cap, blocked or leaking evap lines. Here are simple methods to fix this problem. Method A: the gas cap. Inspect the cap, look for cracks, worn seals, or debris, clean it thoroughly. Spray WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner or a similar electrical safe cleaner on the cap and wipe it down. Reinstall and test. Tighten it securely until it clicks. If the cap's damaged, replace it with an OEM-approved model. Cheap fixes can cause leaks. Method B: the fuel tank pressure sensor. Locate the sensor. It's mounted on the fuel pump assembly, often under the rear seat or access panel. Check for damage, remove the sensor, and inspect the electrical connector and O-ring seal for corrosion or cracks. Test or replace. If the wiring's good but the sensor's faulty, swap it out. Warning: don't skip the seal. After making repairs, clear the code with your scanner and take the car for a test drive. If the code doesn't return, you fixed it. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.